Hello and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction. New model. This is a 39 UKL. It's a 2019 Quailridge 39 UKL. So nice U kitchen trailer. It's ironstone siding with white trim and white shutters. Let's head on inside. It's one of the more expensive models. You see we don't have our window sticker in it, but it's be closer to 70 MSRP. Stainless steel microwave is a convection microwave, 5-burner range and oven, 30-inch full size Frigidaire, 18 cubic foot stainless fridge, stainless sink, single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer. This is a beautiful new trailer, very beautiful. It's got your sectional sofa, pit group, whatever you care to call it. It's got a sleeper sofa, swivel stools at the kitchen area. About the only thing I would add to this if it was me is a coffee table. Has a 43-inch flat screen. There's a electric fireplace at the entertainment center. Welcome. Everything in them stays in them. So you have this plank flooring throughout the entire main floor, hallway, kitchen, bath, living room. Let's step into the hallway. Got a lot of cabinets in here. There's 6 doors over here on the left. There's 6 doors over here on the right. Pocket door. Window in the bath. Nice bright bathroom. Nice bright big roomy bathroom. Got a tub shower combo. Checking out the master bedroom. You step down into the master, so that gives you some additional height in the rear loft here. This is a double loft. Look at all them drawers. This is a lift bed, so there's storage under the lift bed, plus all them drawers. The doors on both sides have lights in them, and there's a light in the center. Let's check out the loft, because it's worth looking into. Kids, here's what you've been waiting for. A nice trip into the loft. Heading upstairs, there's 2 areas to fight over. One is going to have about 5 foot of ceiling height. And you step up to the second section, which has about 44 inches of ceiling height. Okay. Got a closet in the short side, which is probably, size of the master bedroom. And the rear loft is also the size of the master bedroom. So they're actually 2 pretty good sized lofts. Either kid should be happy to win that argument or lose it. Better than the floor. So you're looking at $69.9 MSRP, probably slightly more, but this is a nice trailer and I was glad to show it to you. This is a 2019 Quailridge 39 UKFL, brought to you by Kelly Hicks Construction. Phone number 815-849-9089.